Everybody hates taking their car in for repairs, especially when small problems are easy to ignore. Performing regular maintenance can save you money down the road. Here are common maintenance musts that shouldn't be ignored. Now, most newer vehicles require an oil change about every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, although more frequent oil changes are required if the vehicle is driven in severe conditions. Dirty oil with depleted additives does not lubricate well and can actually turn into sludge, leading to engine damage that could require expensive repairs. So, follow the oil change recommendations in the owner's manual for your vehicle and driving conditions. Now, small chips in your windshield can turn into large cracks if not dealt with quickly. But caught early, chips can be filled with a plastic resin that will stabilize the glass and prevent a full-blown crack from forming. If the glass cracks, the entire windshield will need to be replaced. So if you see just a small crack in your windshield, don't delay in getting it repaired. Paint damage can become an expanding cosmetic issue. If left unrepaired, the metal exposed by the chips and scratches can rust, causing damage to spread. So have small paint imperfections touched up and sealed before more extensive and expensive repairs are needed. Now, it's easy to ignore basic maintenance issues, but the longer you wait, the worse the problem can become. So stay safe and avoid expensive repair bills down the road by being proactive about your preventative maintenance.